Happy 9th anniversary Medi Beaute. Today we're so lucky to have given out the grand prize, which is a Chanel bag to our lucky winner. At the same time, we're also launching our Resurfacing Repair Treatment, which will be so exciting for everybody.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for being here today and welcome to our 9th anniversary grand finale and Resurfacing Repair Treatment launch. Thank you so much for your love. So we also want to say that we can't do this without all of you. Your undying support and your belief in us to make us who we are today. Medi Beaute is strong because of you. And how can we do this? It's because of our promise to deliver commitment and to deliver strong and excellent products and services to you all. That's why today I'm proud to announce that we'll be launching our new treatment called the Resurfacing Repair. So without further ado, we would like to kickstart this 9th anniversary grand finale. So this year, we are bringing Chanel Paris to you. Who knows, one day, we'll bring all of you to Paris, okay?
Alright, so good afternoon to all of you. My name is Wilson Tiong from Training Departments. So today, I'll be sharing with you our new launch treatments called Resurfacing Repair. You may call these treatments RR treatment as well.
Let's move on to our next session. So the next session is something that all of us have been waiting for. So we are actually at this point where we're going to do our grand finale lucky draw session.
Everyone, and happy 9th anniversary Medi Beaute. Today was such a nice interactive session, honestly, and to know about their new treatment was amazing, and you guys should definitely try it out because the level of effectiveness that I saw for the treatment itself, like what they showed, it's amazing. So I had a great time, and once again, happy 9th anniversary Medi Beaute.
I came here now for the event, and my opinion towards the event is this is a very good event because it really shows up how the treatments and it gives us a lot of good things and new information that I had never knew, and we also get the opportunity to try the product and the sample. So in this opportunity, I also want to wish happy 9th anniversary for Medi Beaute.